Hello, kids. I'm Banana Brother. Do you know how many amazing benefits I have? Come on, let me tell you myself. First of all, I'm a treasure of power. When you eat me, you get instant energy, just like a battery gets charged. I help you in both studying and playing. I also make your brain sharp. I have vitamins and minerals inside me that help you remember your lessons quickly. I'm also your tummy's best friend. When you eat me, digestion gets better and your stomach stays happy. My potassium makes your bones and muscles strong. That's why you can run fast and jump high. And yes, when you eat me, your mood also gets better. Whenever you feel sad, just eat one banana and happiness will come back. So kids, do you promise that you will eat me every day so that you stay strong, smart, and always happy? Bye-bye, kids. See you tomorrow with Banana Brother.